What's up, y'all? So you already know I'm back with another hair review. So today I have a nice little piece for y'all. Like, stop playing, y'all. So today they gave me in the packaging some lashes. Like, these some little cute lashes. Like, I can wear these. And of course they gave me a wig cap. I got about 35 of them already, but it don't hurt to have some more. And they gave me, of course, a thank you card and everything explaining about their business and how to get in contact with them and all of that good stuff. But anyways, let's get into this hair, y'all. So right here we have their 18-inch curly hair. Of course, it's a 4x4 closure wig. So we got another closure, and they have two combs in the front, one comb in the middle, and one comb in the back. And of course you have your elastic bands. But y'all, I wanted to try the bleach bath method, to bleach my hair and lighten it up. I was really aiming for a darker orange, kind of like reddish color, like something that really glowed and in the sun. So yeah, so I boiled my water and then I made my bleach concoction, and I put that in my hot water, and I put the hair in the bath, and I just made sure that I soaked it all in there. And at the top it was too light for me, so I got some dye that I already had at the house, and I dyed it a little bit just to touch it up so it could blend in with the rest of the hair. And of course I just went ahead and I plucked the lace while I had the hair on my head, because that's what I just felt like doing. But I really didn't pluck out that much. And of course I'm using my boho lace jelly to lay down this lace. I've used this jelly before, and I really like how it lays. It's not really something that's going to last you a very long time, because I think this is supposed to be used for your edges. But of course I got my Wonder Lace. I stopped paying. And if you want your lace to stay, like for real, ain't budging, ain't going nowhere, I suggest you get this Wonder Lace spray, because they ain't playing. I saw it on TikTok. They are not playing. it stays for a couple of days. Like, stop playing. But anyways, so I'm cutting off my lace, and y'all, like, this lace and all that blended so well in the end. Like, I'm getting so much better with laying my lace down. I'm not no professional, don't get me wrong, but I just like to do my own hair instead of trying to pay somebody else to do it. I can try to do it myself. So yeah, that's what I do. So I'm gonna try to melt this thing right here, and all I did was just put my jelly on there, and then I blended it in with my skin, and of course put my foundation and everything color on there, and blended it in with my powder that was my skin tone. And I just got my wax. I put that all over the top of my head, and I laid it down with my hot comb. And of course I got me some mousse for my edges, because yeah, I don't want this to be on for a long time, because I have other hair to review. So yeah, and I don't have an elastic band to lay my edges down. So shut up, don't say nothing. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. You can really use any kind of curling product to make those curls pop. I just used a curling product that I already had. It's with Dove. No, it's with Suave. What am I talking about? And of course I sprayed it with some water, and this is what we got. Like, look at her. I was just playing with my edges right here, because yeah, that's what I do. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Like, stop playing with her. Stop playing. Like, she looks like a ginger, a cute little ginger. Like, stop playing. Go on and like, comment, and subscribe. We are not playing over here. Go on and hit that notification bell so you will be notified anytime that I post. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and thank you for the support. Bye.